Next, we will move on to Representative Breyer. This is House File 2904. I will move House File 2904 to be laid over for possible inclusion. I understand that you have an A1 amendment. Would you like to speak to the amendment?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair, Chair Nash, committee members. The A2 amendment proposes, to start over, the bill, as it was originally drafted, proposes a large systemic change to the healthcare system for school employees. And as such, we know that it needs to have many conversations and have a great deal of work. To enable this work, the amendment defines a mandatory report that will provide district-level data about employees and potential employees, enrollees, plan offerings, actuarial values, and plan financials such as district and employee expenditures. That is a piece that, if we can move forward with that, will provide the information that will allow us to design a actuarial sound and work with the administrators and boards to have the information that we all need to be able to design a good system, which is already framed up in the core legislation.
Thank you. And earlier to the coming together of this meeting, Representative Sexton mentioned that he would like to offer a friendly amendment. I would like for him to just let you know what that friendly amendment is. So, Representative Sexton.
Madam Chair, that was actually for House File 3422.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry then. Then we just have the A1 as it is. And members, we generally let the author have the bill in the form that they would like to have it, as we've discussed previously. Since this bill is being laid over and there's opportunity to do work, I would like to move directly to the vote and have a roll call vote on the A1. Members, I will ask that the roll please be taken.
Chair Claiborne?
Aye.
Chair Claiborne, aye. Representative Nash?
Aye.
Representative Nash, aye. Representative Bonner?
Aye.
Representative Bonner, aye. Representative Davis?
Aye.
Representative Davis, aye. Representative Anderson?
Aye, if that was me, okay.
Representative Anderson, aye. Representative Clardy?
Aye.
Representative Clardy, aye. Representative Freeburg?
Yes.
Representative Freeburg, aye. Representative Nicolai?
Aye.
Representative Nicolai, aye. Representative Jones?
Aye.
Representative Jones, aye. Representative Joy?
Aye.
Representative Joy, aye. Representative Koznick? Representative Kraft?
Aye.
Representative Kraft, aye. Representative Sexton?
Representative Sexton, aye.
Representative Sexton, aye. Representative Quam? Representative Quam, aye. Chair, there are 13 ayes and 1 excused.
With the 13 ayes and 0 nays, the author's amendment is adopted to your bill as amended. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Thank you, committee members, for accepting the amendment. So the healthcare system in the United States is broken. Spiraling costs, administrative complexity, and inequitable access to affordable care. For-profit businesses are exploiting the healthcare system to increase their own wealth, and employees in school districts across Minnesota are suffering the effects. This year started with 3,200 teachers in Anoka-Hennepin on the verge of a strike. The big issue wasn't working conditions or salaries. It was skyrocketing health insurance costs, a premium increase of 22% in a single year, family premiums cited at $1,000 a month. Escalating healthcare costs are not just a big district problem. In Spring Valley, a 6th grade teacher at Kingsland Public Schools with 44 teachers put it this way: either I get insurance or I get a paycheck. The current approach just doesn't make sense. Each district paying its own brokers, managing its own contracts, absorbing its own shocks when an employee needs high-cost care. Each district, whether they have 3,200 teachers or 44. These unnecessary administrative costs take money from investing in students, and the inefficiency is breathtaking. This is a workforce issue. School employees change districts in pursuit of decent access to health care, and far too many dedicated people are forced out of education entirely due to this unsustainable system. House File 2904, the bipartisan Educator Group Insurance Program, proposes a single large pool for all Minnesota public school employees. It creates more financial stability while eliminating haves and have-nots among the districts, more stability and less administrative waste, and less money to companies like United Health Group, which paid its CEO $26 million and returned $16 billion to shareholders, while a teacher in Spring Valley was choosing between her paycheck and her family's health care. 2 years ago, the Minnesota legislature made a historic investment in public education. In district after district, most of those gains have been swallowed by insurance costs before they ever reach a classroom. Minnesota educators shouldn't have to choose. This legislature has the power to make sure they don't. I ask for your support on House File 2904. Thank you.